welcome to Ambus Technologies. In this video, I am going to talk about the prison break monitoring system using NodeMCU and Arduino Nano. So the main aim of this project is to monitor the prison if it has disconnected from the two Zigbee transmitters, then it is going to say that thief has been escaped. So coming to the components, we are using a NodeMCU microcontroller for receiver section, and we are having a Zigbee receiver here so that it will receive signal from two transmitters which are prison 1 and prison 2. So as you can see here, this one represents prison 1 and this one represents prison 2. So these two transmitters will constantly give data to this Zigbee receiver. So next thing that we are using is a buzzer, and we are using a regulated power supply that converts the 12 volt DC to 5 volt DC. So we are also using a LCD display for display purposes to see which the thief has escaped from which part of the prison, 1 or 2. So the Zigbee receiver has a range of 46 meters at most. So prisoner goes beyond that range, the signal will be disconnected, and then it will be indicated to the IoT web page. So we are using a Blink app here. So when I run this kit, it is going to be connected to the Blink app. So let me turn this on at first. So it is giving false alarm because I haven't connected these two up yet. So I must run this properly first and let it be connected to Wi-Fi module. So as you can see, it is going to show that the prison 2 is normal and prison 1 is normal. So if it goes beyond range, it is going to say that prison 1 and prison 2 has broken. So let me demonstrate by first disconnecting this first prison. So I'm going to switch it off now to represent that Zigbee module has gone beyond range. So now it will say that the prison 1 has the thief has escaped from prison 1, and it is showing that prison 2 is normal and prison 1 is break. So we also get the information on IoT web page that prison 1 break has been happened. So we are going to get notifications through Blink app. So I'm going to turn it on again. Let me demonstrate the second one as well. So this one also has the same setup as the first one. So I'm going to turn this off now. So now we should get an information that prison 2 has broken. So it takes some time before getting the information. So we are going to get the same data here also. So prison 2 break, please check. It is going to show that particular notification. So that's how it basically works. So let me turn it on again and to check if the system has come back to normal position. So it takes some time before updating it. So it is now showing that prison 1 is normal and prison 2 is normal. So that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to Ambus Technologies.